away and stuff, and I can. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I know, but excuse me. Oh, I'm so sorry. The microwave my frozen. Excuse me. The next day. Well, I forgot. Not to that. Sorry. Onto that horizon. Oh, who did that? Oh. It's fine. It's fine. I say as they drag. Still working on it. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Here, let me get a dream time. Excuse me.
Never mind.
Oh, excuse me. I'm just gonna be over here farting. Dough and twist them. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Excuse me.
Oh gosh. So
Oh,
heavy.
excuse me.
What's the best way to get back? I forget.
I go this way.
You did amazing.
We have one more chance. I'm sorry, Pookie. Oh, excuse me. Oh my god, that's getting me. But I had 12. Oh, excuse me. I just looked up on Fiverr. I was like Vtuber model. All the other stuff. So. Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, me too. Oh, a frog.
Oh my god, excuse me. Fun. Playing the game. So. Oh. That is. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Do it all. Yeah. Excuse me. I still have no, and we're good. Oh, excuse me. Better than yesterday, though. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, that's true. I tell you. Excuse me. Oh my, sorry. I'm drinking a Pepsi. I'm drinking soda. And it's like. Oh my god, I had to mute for that. I guess for streams though. Excuse me. Wake up burping. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Don't look good. Excuse me. Actually, I can take all of this because I. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. The full set. I have a. Excuse me. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Please. Excuse me. I hope. Excuse me. Got the Minecraft. Excuse me. Yeah, I wonder what the respawn. Excuse me. The respawn rate is. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, I'm so sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh my god, wait, what am I doing? I forgot what the heck I was supposed to be doing. Excuse me, sorry. Under 100. Does not help at all. Excuse me. excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. A lot of the time, sure. But my sense of direction. Oh, excuse me. You know what I'm saying? I saw another one. Egg. Excuse me. Oh, good. They're so good. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Hi. This one. Excuse me. Oh my God, who did that? Wow. A little bit. Excuse me. The squirrely flesh. I know. I know. Let me add. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry, this is it. You could be like Robin Hood. That'd be cool. And then like, oh, excuse me. Then I could have like, excuse me. Cool. So, oh yeah, the tea. Excuse me. Excuse me. There we go. Look.
I got you.
Excuse me.
You need.
Oh, who did that?
Whoa.
I've become an adult. That's what I've learned. Excuse me. Like, for those of you who know, you gotta do the excuse me. Sorry, I'm having a drink. Like, go. Oh, excuse me. One of my Minecraft shorts. But like, man, I should have left a trail of some kind. Enjoyable. Excuse me. Bad. Excuse me. Oh, help me. There's a. Oh, excuse me. Who did that? Storm that came through? I don't know what's going on. Excuse me. There we go. We're so back. I have. Excuse me. Okay? I go into like a different. My own POV video for it. Oh my God, excuse me. In the morning. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Whoa, excuse me. There was one. Excuse me. Excuse me. Give me that mermaid. Oh. Yeah, that's all. That's all. There. Single person. Work this morning. Excuse me. I had. Oh. Excuse me. I was also thinking of. Do a little. Oh, excuse me.
We answer different.
Oh my God. Excuse. To the full thing. Excuse me. Squish something. Excuse me. One more burp. Excuse me, very beginning. Excuse me. Diamond Schmeiman are like a summer. A summer. You already forgot where I am. My mommy and my daddy. Oh my god, excuse me. But oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Pain. So basically, excuse me? Oh, not yet. Alright, let me send. Here, I can send that to the, excuse me, who did that? I could always just steal. Give me. Oh. I like my new tweet. Oh my god, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. I'm not a furry though. Excuse me, let me just. Of houses for when I move. Excuse me. God, I swear to God. Excuse me. Bleh. Bleh. And bleh. I have all the lyrics. Excuse me. Oh my god, excuse me. Wait. Went to go check it out. Excuse me. He went to go check it out. In? Already? Sure. So I don't know. Oh my god, we got two. We got a double burp. I think that's just. That's good. That's good. Excuse me. Like. Excuse me. I'm also gonna go talk to my mom. Sorry.